Hey everybody, in this video I'll show you the procedure on how can you fix Nest Hub 2nd Gen stuck on Google logo. If you are having such issue, to fix it so you want to actually make sure to try a couple of these steps. First of all, you could try a factory reset by pressing and holding the bottom both volume button up and down together for 10 seconds. That should be able to help you out. If not, you could also unplug and replug in. That is, disconnect the power cord from a Nest Hub and leave it unplugged for a few minutes. Then once again, you want to plug the Nest Hub back into a power source. If possible, you could also try using a different outlet or power outlet that could be able to fix. Despite doing all this procedure, if nothing seems to be working out, you simply want to contact the support team and they should be able to help you out as well. So these are some of the ways to fix it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.